My Margot Elena Spring Box has arrived, so if you want to see what's inside, it's awfully heavy this month, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy, that's Dexter behind me, and Chloe and Bind are in the other room. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Margot Elena is kind of a luxury subscription box. It is full of the Margot Elena lines of fragrances. So you're going to get Tokyo Milk, Lolia, Infinite She, Cottage Greenhouse, Archive, Cottage Greenhouse, did I say Library of Flowers? You're going to get all kinds of different fragrances, from hand creams to shower gels to an actual perfume in this box. So it is a little bit more of a luxury priced box, but it is only seasonal. I have been getting this for a good number of years now, probably going on 5. And I've never been dissatisfied with the box. There is the inside. Bird song and butterflies, it says. There is your sneak peek. Not much of a sneak peek because they do wrap everything. So it's like you're getting yourself a little gift. Now, one thing about this box is sometimes there are exclusive, which means that currently the only way to get it is in the box. It may be released later on, but for right now, you are getting the first chance at it. And the very first item is an exclusive, and these are the Relax Lavender and Honey Perfumed Shower Steamers. And it feels like there's quite a few, five steamers in here, and this retails for $24. Next, from the Cottage Greenhouse, we have their Lemon Blooms and Honey Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. And this is a $28 value. And this is going to be sealed. Actually, what I usually do, all right, because it's got that metal seal, is I'll take a tube of like medicine that I have that has like a little pokey thing on it, and then boom, poke it to get that open. It doesn't come with that, which is just kind of odd. I've tried stabbing it with scissors. 9 times out of 10, I stab myself. But this is going to have revitalizing lemon and a hint of honey. It's rich in vitamin C and primed to hydrate the skin. Lemon adds the perfect invigorating fragrance to a bright honeyed floral. And look at how cute that box is. It says it has avocado and shea butter. All right, next we have another exclusive, and this is from Library of Flowers, and it is the Relaxing Bath Salts. And this is in their Willow and Water scent, which I love. It smells so nice. It has cut greens, flowering lotus, and watercress. And the kid's going to totally steal these. And this is a $10 value. Okay, first little package. This is going to be the perfume just from the feel of it. And this is from Archive. It is the Poet at Heart fragrance. It doesn't tell me the scent notes on here, but this is a $54 value. Yeah, I really like that. That's very nice. I'll look up the scent notes and put them up there for you. I'm really terrible at naming them. I feel like there's maybe some lotus in there just from thinking of how it reminds me of the Willow and Water scent, but I could be totally wrong. Okay, this next one feels like a little candle, a little luminary, but it could also be a lotion. This is by Tokyo Milk, and let's see, this is their Savage Belle. It's a luminary. And this is another exclusive. It's an $18 value. That's a little perfumey for me. I don't think I'll care for that. But I will pass it on. It doesn't, warm ginger, bergamot, charcoal accord, and wisteria. See, now I would not think I would not think that those would be the scent notes at all, because I would like the warm ginger, the bergamot, and the wisteria. I don't know about the charcoal accord, but very perfumey for me. That's going to set off my brain. So I'm going to pass that along to somebody else. Okay, this is either going to be a lotion or a shower gel from the feel of it. And this is the Lolia Elegance White Amber and Mirabelle Perfumed Shower Gel. And this is a $24 value. And one more item, and I have no idea. Maybe bath oil? Got a pump on it. And this is the Fearless Body Lotion with Wild Geranium, Rosewood, Confidence and Strength. I don't know how those smell, let me tell you. Very, very lightly scented. Okay, now I can smell the geranium in there. I mean, I wouldn't have known it was geranium, but it's definitely like a light floral, not a perfumey floral. And this is a $24 value. And it says, "She who dares wins." Nice container. All right, and that is my spring box. Usually there's cards in here, or like, I don't know, some kind of like unusual item, whether it be cards. One time I got a stainless steel like drink bottle that is screw on top. I've gotten tea towels, gardening gloves. So there wasn't any of that kind of like stuff that's a little unusual, but I think everything in here is really nice. There's only one item that I don't see myself using, and that's the candle, but I'm sure somebody else would love it. It just wasn't to my scent preference. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item in the box? What kind of scents do you like? Let me know in the comments down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.